Hi, I'm Gardener Scott, and today, in 2 minutes, I'll discuss what you need to know to transplant seedlings. Here in the States, we call it potting up. In England, they call it pricking out. But regardless of what you call it, we're taking little plants and putting them into bigger pots. To begin, you only need a few things. Potting soil, either potting soil that you purchased or made yourself, a pot or some other container that the plant's going to go into, and a tool to remove the plant from wherever you sowed your seeds. I like to put a little soil in the bottom of the pot, reach in with my tool, remove the plant. You can see that there's already substantial root growth even though the plant is kind of small. Rest the plant into your pot and gently add potting soil all around it. I like the tongue depressor because it actually helps keep the plant separate from the soil as I'm putting it in so that I don't accidentally smother the plant. Tap down gently just to help ensure some root contact with the potting soil, and that's all there is to it. Label the plants so you know just what you potted up, and then water so that the soil settles down around the roots, trying to avoid watering directly on top of the tender plant because you might damage it. From here you can put the plants in a cold frame, in a greenhouse, or under lights in your own house, and they'll be ready to transplant outside before you know it. I'm Gardener Scott. Enjoy gardening.